And now you know why she smells so good. Hey, Mark Greene here from Cars Yeah for Covercraft. I have another little car care tip for you, especially if you have an older car. A classic, or maybe it's just something that was a hand-me-down from your grandparents or your parents or something like that. Something special that you want to take care of. Along with all the polishing and waxing that you do, one of the things you'll notice about old cars is the old car smell. You get inside and sometimes you smell a little funky, like someone left a burrito in there or something like that. Well, I have a little tip for you, a little trick that I've used for years that will change all of that. What I do is I go out and I find a scent that I really like. Now you can go online, go to Google, go to Amazon, wherever, and you can find all sorts of people selling different types of scents, concentrated scent formulas, or you can just take lemon juice or anything that you like. If you like essence of oils, or doesn't matter, whatever smell that you like. And here's what you do. Take the cap off of a spray can and you pour a little bit inside there, and then I take a cloth and I just set it down on the floor. I set it down on the driver's side floor, right up close to the pedals where I see it when I get in, so I don't forget it's there. And I just set that there. Now in this car, I have a little cup full of leather scent. And when people get in my car, this is a 33-year-old car. And while it's very well preserved and it's all original, it's still an old car. And you know, old cars can smell a little funky sometimes. Not mine. My Orange Crush smells like the day she came from the factory with all that fresh leather that's on the seats and everything else inside the car. Just because of this little cup full of leather scent. I've had this leather scent cup in here for years. I've not even refilled it. I set it down in there. When I close the car, I do put the windows up. The reason I do that is so that insects or bugs don't crawl into the car. Even if you leave the window cracked, a spider can crawl up even if your cover is on your car and get inside the car. Then they start making webs and you've got a mess. So seal up the car, put a little cup of your favorite scent in, and when you get in your car to go for a drive, it's gonna smell oh so sweet. Just remember to take it out so you don't spill it on the floor. It's another little car care tip from Mark Greene at Cars Yeah for you from Covercraft.